YouTube channel about to how aluminum foil is madahi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at how aluminum foil is made. So, let's jump right in. Aluminum foil is a versatile and lightweight material that is used in a variety of applications, from cooking to packaging. It's primarily made from a refined aluminum ore, which is melted and then molded into the foil form. The process is quite similar to how we make paper towels. First, the aluminum is melted and then solidified into thin sheets. These sheets are then cut to the desired size and shaped, before being polished to a smooth finish. The final step involves adding a layer of phosphorus to make the foil more resistant to rust and contamination. Now, you might be wondering if aluminum foil is toxic. The answer is no. Although aluminum is a natural element, the compounds used in the making of aluminum foil are not harmful. In fact, the use of aluminum foil is even beneficial because it helps to keep food from sticking to the pan, making it easier to clean up. In conclusion, aluminum foil is a practical and versatile material that is used in many daily tasks. It's made from a refined aluminum ore and undergoes a series of processes to create the thin, durable sheets we all know and love. So, the next time you're using aluminum foil, remember that it's a product made with safety and efficiency in mind. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.